Urgent weather message for the following counties in Ohio: Holmes, Stark, and Wayne. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Stark County in northeastern Ohio, southern Wayne County in northeastern Ohio, northeastern Holmes County in northeastern Ohio until 10:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:43 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Shreve, or 9 miles southwest of Worcester, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaged roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Route 6 from around 9:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Mountains will about 9:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Route 6, Lewis, and Winesburg around 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Fredericksburg, Mount Hope, and Toledo Creek.
Alright, so, and yes, I actually am filming this at a later time, but that's this tornado warning from all the way out in East Central Ohio, received on WRAF 1350 AM out of Akron, Ohio, received all the way from Charlotte, North Carolina, where I am, on my new Sangean HDR-15 HD radio. And I got this and purchased this as my very own birthday gift. So I've been having this radio for, I'd say, nearly 2 weeks. Well, actually, now that I think about it, I have been having this radio here for 2 weeks. But of course, this video here is my first video of me using this to catch an alert. And since the HDR-15 has what I call the HD alert feature, or basically a feature where it activates for emergency alerts on HD radio stations on FM, as long as the FM stations have the emergency alert function enabled. I have one station, WDAV 89.9, that has HD alert enabled, as you can see by the A indicator. Though I've never gotten the chance to actually use them for an alert. Like, I've been having this radio on standby for WDAV for a good while. We're talking most of the day. And I was thinking I would get some sort of random surprise weekly tests, like one of those unexpected weekly tests you hear on like AM, FM, TV. But I've never gotten a chance to hear them do it for me to see this radio activate for them. But this can activate for emergency alerts as long as it's tuned into an FM station on its HD signal that has emergency alerts enabled. So the way you know that, at least for Sangean's radios, is how you'd see the A. If you don't see the A on it, then no emergency alerts enabled. So, oops. So I'm going to put this back on WDAV again. I guess have this on standby for a while if I do happen to get that random surprise weekly test. Who knows? For this to hopefully activate. But that aside, that's me using this radio, this new radio of mine, for me to use an AM station all the way out in Ohio to catch this tornado warning that you just heard.